So our objective or learning target of the day is you are going to identify and graph points that are on coordinate planes and coordinate grids. So you probably in the past have seen something that looks like this, a grid, okay? It starts at 0 in the corner. It goes to the right, which is our x-axis, and it goes up, which is our y-axis. Now in 5th grade, we make it a little tougher. We turn that coordinate grid into a coordinate plane. So they split that graph paper in 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants. And they actually use all 4 quadrants because they used integers, positive and negative numbers. So that's what we're going to focus on today. Now the x-axis is the one that runs right across your grid. And the y goes up and down. Now I remember it because the y goes down. The y-axis goes down. So that's how I remember up and down. How can we locate points on a coordinate grid? So we're going to start easy. We're going to take a look at a coordinate grid, which looks like this. Now our coordinate grid makes it easier to locate points in a place. And we do that by using ordered pairs. These are 2 numbers separated by a comma. It's very important though that we put them in the right order. And that order is over and then up. What is an ordered pair? Well, ordered pairs show the exact spot on your grid. When we look at this coordinate grid, we start at 0 and we go 3 blocks to the right, or the west. Then we go 2 blocks north and we're at the bank. So we write that 3, 2. Has to be in that order, Brendan. 3, 2. Because if we went over 2 and up 3, we'd end up here. So make sure that you're putting them in the right order, always over and up. So now we're at the bank. What if we wanted to go to the school? Starting from 0, what would be our ordered pair starting from 0 to get to the school? Aiden. 1, 5. Good work. That's right. That's right. Remember, the origin is considered that 0 point. It's right where the y-axis and the x-axis intersect each other, right here. And that's always where we start. Now we're going to talk about a coordinate plane. Now in a coordinate plane, our origin is dead center, right in the middle. And that's where we start. If we were to plot that as an ordered pair, we would write it 0, 0. Now that we know how to locate points on a grid, we can also locate points on a plane. They're different because, like I mentioned, there are 4 coordinates, or excuse me, 4 quadrants. We still have our x and our y axis. But the difference is we have positive integers and we have negative integers. I want someone to come up here and help me for a second. Caden, come on up and stand off to the side. I want you to point to which quadrant has only positive integers. So which of the 4 have only positive integers? Is it this one, this one, this one, or this one? Okay, she says this one. She's right. Will, she's right. All positive here, all positive here. Which quadrant has only negative? Okay, how about the other 2? They have both. Good job. All right, you can sit. So let's take a look at point A on the map. If we had to find the ordered pair, we would start at 0. Remember, it's always over first, so either to the right or the left. I'm going to change my arrows here, and I'm going to write them first over, and then up or down. Pause for a sec. Okay, so if we want to locate point A, everybody with me now? We're starting at O, our point of origin, we're going to go over. So either to the right or left. In this case, we're going to go over -2. So that's the first number I write. And then we're going to go up 1, 2, 3. Up 3. So that's +3. So you don't have to put a plus sign. You can, but it's optional. But if it's negatives, you do have to put the negative sign. So 5 times in a row, I want you guys to say over and up, over and up. Over and up, over and up, over and up, over and up, over and up. Okay? Or down, because it could be down too, but or down, yeah. You said it 5, so that's good. Okay, so remember our first number in the ordered pair is the number that we go over, and the second number in our ordered pair is the number we go up or down. Now, 3 -2 is not the same as -2, 3. Kaylin, come on up here, and I want you to find me this one so that we can show the kids that they are not the same thing. Start at 0, go over 3, and then -2. Down, negative. Put a dot there. And let's, nice big fat dot. Bigger, bigger, bigger. Now put a K for Kaylin. Okay, so obviously, even though these numbers are the same, simply because they're in a different order, they're in a very different spot on our grid, as Kaylin just showed us. I would like you guys to open up your iPad. Now, it is your job to write me an ordered pair on your iPad, Alexis. An ordered pair on your iPad. I want you to write me the ordered pair that goes with point A. Shh. Remember, we put parentheses around them. It's a tough one, really tough. Today's secret password is caterpillar. Okay, hold them up, caterpillar. On your board, you should have 0, 0. Wasn't that difficult? I know. Now, for our second try, I would like you to find point B. Write the ordered pair for point B. Now, it might help you to always draw on the top of your paper over and then up or down so that you remember, I start at 0 and then over and then up or down. When you have the answer and it's in parentheses, listen for my password, caterpillar. Your answer should be +1, +2. If you didn't put the positive, that's fine. It's optional. 1, 2 or +1, +2. Good work. Now, point C. Start at 0, over, and then up or down. I know it's tough for some of you to see back there. Caterpillar. Okay. Some of you forgot that since we're going over this way, it's -2. Then we went down 1, which is -1. So -2, -1, caterpillar. Did you forget your negatives, Hayden? Do you see what you did? Since we went to the left, we were in the negatives. We were in the negatives. And point D. Tell me the ordered pair for point D. Remember, start at 0, over and up, or down. Caterpillar, you should have, Sam, turn and look at me. Over 4, down 2. So that's -2. Positive 4, -2. Okay, quick question. Those of you who got it wrong, do you see what you did? Yeah. Oh, no. I think we need more practice. Let's do some more practice. I would like you guys to open up your books to page 415. And I want you to look at the grid that looks like this. Page 415. That way it's a little bit easier for you all to see. Kaylin, will you turn on the light? Thank you. Both of them. Okay, on page 415, I want you to look at this grid. And on your iPad, I want you to find point M and write its ordered pair. Find point M and write its ordered pair. I'm putting my arrow right where point M is. Alan, help me out. What's my ordered pair? Caterpillar, everybody. 4 and 2. He's correct. 4, 2. Positive 4, positive 2. Aaron P., did you see what you did? Yep. Okay, let's go on. Point N this time. Point N, which is right up here. Start at 0, over, and up or down. Please hide your iPads. Natasha, Caterpillar, tell me what's your ordered pair? Positive 4 would bring me right here. Uh-oh. -4 would bring me right here. Kiara? -3, +4. Natasha? -3 is right here, and then up 4. This is +4. See what you did wrong? Yes or no? Natasha, are you okay? Okay. All right. I think we have time for another one before my time runs out here. Point P. Point P, which is right down here. Start at 0. Over and up or down. Cole says it's -2. Thank you. -2 and -2. He's right. Caterpillar. Are they negatives, Kiara, and I just can't see them? Okay. Good work. All right. How about letter R?